My name's Chase Rogan. We're at 5 Iron Syracuse. We're going to open here in about 2 weeks. We're going to have a sports bar, full bar and kitchen, 8 golf simulators, and 4 duck pin bowling lanes. When you walk in the front door at 5 Iron, your attention's going to be grabbed with a lot of pretty colors, nice sounds, and unique visuals. We have the 17-seater bar behind me, and then as you pass down through the space, we have about a dozen high-top tables and then 8 simulators. Each one has a little couch, a high-top bar behind it, so it's kind of a lounge, easygoing feeling. Each simulator has its own furniture set, so it's a nice, comfortable atmosphere. We have a little putting green over here that's for guests to work on their game. It's snowing right now, but I'm imagining a little patio area out here. We're gonna have outdoor seating in the summertime. During the day, we're gonna be almost like a country club vibe. The music will be down, the atmosphere will be light, people will be playing golf and enjoying lunch. Once happy hour hits, the lights go down, the music goes up, the atmosphere turns into a little bit more of a party. Hopefully the bar fills up. Our menu is elevated bar food, so you can grab anything from cheeseburger sliders to some tuna tostado. We're gonna have a number of cocktails on the menu that are golf-centric, but also non-golf-centric, like an espresso martini. The space that Hainer Hoyt built for us sets up really nice. Hainer Hoyt's been fantastic to work with. They're great communicators. They get the job done on time. The finishes and everything in here looks great. This building seemed like a great location in the middle of downtown. We also thought that this particular space within this building just set up really well for a 5 Iron Golf. We're very excited to open the doors and show the public what we have here. If you're looking for a good time, whether it is a date night, whether it's time with your family, or whether it's by yourself and you just want to have a good time, whether you're a golfer, non-golfer, just looking for a good time, this is a spot for you.